Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Mary et aujourd'hui nous sommes I don't know, nous sommes making meme review. Yeah. So today we're making an engineering / science meme review video and hashtag PEWDIEPIE represent. Big shout out to my sister because she sent me a bunch of them. But the major shout out goes to Gerardo Salinas because he's the one who actually inspired us to make this video. So thank you, Gerardo, for your recommendation. I hope you enjoy this video. And thank both of you for being a constant 9-year-old army supporter. Yeah. So the first meme, I guess, is this one. Should I show the camera? No. Okay. From what I remember, I think RNA makes DNA, if that's right. Something like that. It's like RNAs have a DNA 3. Just because I don't understand. The roses are red. It's hot like hell. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. And I asked my sister and she thought the same. So I guess that's like the actual meaning of the meme. I don't really find it funny or anything. So I'll give it a 2. Okay, I like this one. Biologists are just a bunch of cells that talk about other cells. And that's true. Because we're all made up of cells. Just because of the little Spider-Man. You see the Spider-Man? I'm gonna give it a 7. It's like the normal Winnie Pooh, and then they put like a fancy clothes on him. So this one's like different ways of like writing the number 1, and then it's like the basic one, and then when you do this one you feel like super fancy. So but yeah, I like that one. I'll give that one a 9 just because it's funny. I don't know how to do this. This is so hard. Okay, this one's just like restart life, $5 billion, or never forget adding the +C when integrating. And then the guy kicks in that door. That's funny because if you are an engineer, like, and you're doing an integral, like, you always forget to add the +C. There's a 4 and then 2 squared and then square root of 2. No, I don't understand this one. Me doesn't study, and then fails test. Me. Surprise Pikachu meme. And that's pretty funny. I would give that a 12 because that's me all the time. I never study. Well, no, I do, but I don't study enough. And it says chemistry in a nutshell. Metallic bonds, covalent bonds, ionic bonds, and then noble gases. And well, yeah, that's because noble gases don't react with anything, so they're just on their own. I guess a lot of us engineers are noble gases. I don't know why you sent this to me. This is not funny.
No, look at it.
It's not funny. Engineering degrees be like first year versus 4th year, and you like age a lot. It's pretty true because after my first year of engineering, I found like 3 white hairs on my head. So, and you do look around and like there's a lot of people with like white heads, and we're all so young, so it's kind of sad. It's like Europeans handing the what's it called, like the standard units of temperature and mass and length to the US, and the US just like goes to be like lo esquiva because like you guys use Fahrenheit and pounds. And
you guys?
Yeah, I'm Mexican, so I'm good. I was raised in Celsius. I was raised the right way. Bacteria invades the body. White blood cells just like knocking the heck out of the bacteria. Suffer, bitch! Yeah, white blood cells are awesome. So I would give this one a 10, I think. Yeah. This is probably my dad. Like, says, Dad, I don't want to study engineering. And then dad just throws the kid away into the ocean. I mean, my dad didn't want me to study engineering, but he didn't want me to study a lot of things. So, yeah, that's kind of like him. My dad is a doctor in Mexico, so he pretty much low-key wanted all of us to be doctors, even though he says that he doesn't. That's fine. When you're the constant in the function x squared plus e, and the function is about to be differentiated, and the c just disappears because the derivative of any constant is 0. So yeah, it's pretty funny. I would give this one a 10. This one says, when it's literally the last week of lecture and you have to apply yourself or else you're gonna fail. And then it's like Bart Simpson's just like that was me like in biocompatibility. Yeah, this is me using MATLAB because I don't know MATLAB. When you study engineering and you see people just living life and it's like little Squidward looking at SpongeBob and Patrick, that happens to me like every time I'm back from school and go to the apartment and I have to walk by the pool at the apartment complex, and there's always people in the pool just chilling. And like a Wednesday afternoon or Wednesday evening, and I'm like, what maybe they just get to chill in the pool. This one's funny because it says engineering veteran. Back in my day, we would interpolate data by hand. We didn't have all this fancy MATLAB stuff. Engineering undergrad. Weird flex, but okay. Avengers Endgame plot leaked. How Thanos is defeated. And then it's just like, assuming steady state. It's like how you defeat Thanos. And like that's so true because in like biotransport we always have to assume things to be able to solve them. But obviously they're like educated assumptions, right? Okay, and the best meme for last is wound. Forms scab to stop bleeding. Me peels off scab. Wound starts bleeding. Me. Like the Pikachu meme. God knows everything that will happen. God, don't eat the apple. Eve eats the apple. God. That's just so funny. I love the Pikachu meme. So I'm gonna give it a positive infinity cubed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and let me know which one was your favorite meme, and also send me any memes to my Instagram. You can follow me at the PME Life or at Medium. And once again, thank you, Gerardo, so much for requesting this video, and thank you to you too and my sister for sending me the memes. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to like it, write a comment, but anything really helps. And also don't forget to subscribe because we're at 52 subscribers right now. It's almost 100. It's just halfway there. So yeah, let's try to get to 100. That would be super cool. Okay, thank you. Bye.